How to change iPhone Memoji. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the message application on your phone. Over here, scroll down to your desired chat box. As you get there, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left that opens a panel. From here, scroll down to select Memoji. Memoji is a personalized, customizable 3D avatar. You can choose any animal Memoji from here according to your choice. By tapping on the plus button, you can customize human Memoji with features you want. You can select any skin shade, freckles, cheeks and beauty spots over here. Not only that, you can also change hairstyles, brows, eyes, head and many more. Then, tap on the blue tick to confirm. You can further edit this Memoji from the 3 dots icon. This personalized animated avatar can mirror your facial expressions and record your voice as well. Following these steps, you can easily change Memoji on your iPhone.